That's something decent. Oh, it's a big bass. Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's not big, but it's a good one.
Dude, look at that. I'll be trying to follow my fish. That's decent. 2 pounds?
Woo. Yeah.
You want me to grab it?
Yeah. He's close to 3.
I don't know, maybe 3. It's kind of thick.
She's thick, girl. Good fish.
That was good fish.
Dude, I don't know if this is a bass or not, but I think it is. If it is, it's a good one. I have no idea. I don't know. I think so. Oh yeah, dude, he's a big one too. He's big. That's a 4.5, maybe 5 pound fish. Woo! 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 I'm coming this way. He's coming this way. I'm just feeding him. I'm feeding him. Here, watch out. I'm gonna swing him through.
Holy shit.
Okay. Grab his lip. Grab his lip. There you go. Attaboy. Ah! Woo! Woo! Hell yeah! That's what we come for, Willie!
It's a big fish.
Guess where I caught him?
Right on the wall.
In the corner.
See,
Very corner.
Dude, I don't, that's right. I told you, I grinded that wall. Literally.
Oh, bud. Guy's running at me. Oh, shit. Another good bass. Get that drone in the air, hurry! Oh, he's barely hooked.
Call me DJ Khaled. It's a 3-pounder all day. Look at the freaking girth of this thing, dude. 3.24.
What's up, everyone? That sucked. Horrible intro. What's up, everyone? Well, me and Willie woke up again this morning. Try to get an early bite. Willie caught one. He wanted a 4-pounder, but he didn't get him one. Luckily though, I did. It was a good day, good morning. Figured the rain would have scared them off, but the water level kind of stayed low, so we're good to go this morning. Nice calm weather. It is hot today. It's probably 85 degrees, almost 90 degrees right now. 7:30, and I gotta make it to work. So hope you guys like this one and keep on casting.